Do you want to make edits like this? I can show you how. Okay, so first, alright, so what character do you want to animate? Not animate. What character do you want to make an edit of? You pick that, add a few clips, basic, or just like record some clips and stuff if you don't have premium. Like me, I don't have premium at all. Basically, you're gonna want to use clips. So for Goku, I use like Twixtor clips. These were free to use and stuff, obviously. So basically, I won't get copyright and it's not technically stolen since it's free to use. And basically, you can record the song of whatever song you want. You can record it and stuff, and then just use that as the audio and stuff. Right, and then on the clips, you're gonna want to add animations, and like first you're gonna want to go to clips, edit, then animations, then combos, because these are the ones where it gets good and stuff. See, I used bounce for the first clip, then for the second clip, I used like pendulum. Pendulum. I don't know. I think I used pendulum. I used pendulum 1. I used sway out. I think for this one. Right? No, sway in. And then for this one, for this clip, I used distort left.
Classic, please. Classic.
And then for this one, I used sway in as well, I guess. And then for this clip, I used train 2. And then for this one, I used fall right. Basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to like use animation combos and stuff to actually make very good edits. See it like this. And then that's how you make an edit. So, hope you enjoyed this tutorial and goodbye. I hope you have a great editing journey.